Hi everyone, today we are unboxing Nokia 3.1 Plus smartphone, which is basically Android 1. On the back side, we have all the features about the display: 6-inch display, 13 MP camera, 3500 mAh battery, and fingerprint processor. It comes with the octa-core processor. Now let us take a look inside. We have the smartphone itself. We have some printed documents, quick start guide. This is the quick start guide, and we have the safety guide, safety information guide, and we have the other printed stuff. Then we have the adapter, power adapter. Then we have the USB cable for US charging or connecting to the PC. We have the earphone, the original Nokia headset. Let us keep them aside. Let us take a look at the headphones. This phone supports 3.5 mm headphone jack. Let us look at the phone. Take it out of the cover. This is our phone. We have the dual camera on back side of 13 MP and 8 MP, and we have the fingerprint sensor. We have the speaker, microphone, and USB slot. We have the SIM slots and micro SD slots on this side, and we have the power button and volume up and down keys. We have headphone jack, and we have the front camera of 8 megapixel. This phone comes with the 6-inch display of 18:9 ratio, which is full HD plus. The best thing is it supports the Android 1, which is awesome. It has been very nice to see a smartphone from Nokia after the discontinuation. The phone has started. Just we have turned on. The display is so smooth. Let us go to system. It comes with a 4G connectivity. We can set up the screen lock as well as the fingerprint. Here we can adjust all. It comes with the Android 8.1 Oreo. Let us go to the camera. This is the rear camera. The camera quality is medium, and this is the front camera of 8 megapixel. We have the good audio quality. This is the notification tray. We have the 32 GB internal storage, which can be expandable by using external SD card. So this was the review and unboxing of a Nokia 3. Plus smartphone. Thanks for watching.